In this demonstration, we present partial topology-based network query processing system called Panda. Given a user-selected dataset such as Amazon, Panda efficiently finds top K matches of a partial topology query, referred to as BTQ, in a single machine. The current version of Panda contains 3 Panda variants, namely SenPanda, PoPanda and SimPoPanda. We shall first present a walkthrough of the Panda tool running the SimPoPanda algorithm and explain how it supports user query without demanding precise information about the complete query graph topology. Then, we showcase the SenPanda algorithm for comparison of the result and runtime quality of the different algorithms. The Panda graphical user interface consists of several panels, including unique graph label panel, a query panel and a graph layout panel. We shall now demonstrate how we can use Panda to find out the relationship of 3 authors Barbara Brown Taylor, Alice Walker and Steve Bowles in the Amazon dataset. Suppose we know some details of each of these authors, but not the relationship between them. We can construct partial topology query, referred to as BTQ, containing individual query components related to each author. PTQ is a disconnected query graph containing multiple connected query components. We have now completed the query component for Barbara Brown Taylor, who is a Protestant and writes about Protestant preaching. Next, we shall construct the query component for Alice Walker, who is an African American. Finally, we construct the query component for Steve Bowles, an author of romance books. We are now ready to proceed with the query. To initiate the query, click the Run button. Each query component in the PTQ is assigned a unique node color to distinguish one component from another. Once a query is executed, the location of its matching results are shown on the network map using red pins. When user moves over the pins, the cost and rank of the corresponding match is shown. User can click on these pins to see further details of the matches. SimPoPanda first identifies a set of matching subgraphs for each query component using a subgraph simulation-based strategy. The nodes of a matching query component is represented using a circle, and the colors are consistent with that of the corresponding query component. Then, matching subgraphs are combined to form a merged graph. Finally, the resultant graph is generated by finding shortest paths in the merged graph to connect different matching subgraphs corresponding to each query component. Nodes connecting query components are represented as green octagons. In this query example, the 3 authors are related by a unifying theme that includes inspirational writing, history, and America. SimPoPanda returns to resultant graphs for this query. Next, we shall showcase the SenPanda algorithm using the same PTQ query. SenPanda is an exact algorithm based on group symmetry and is particularly suitable for applications where the underlying network data is not very large and result quality is paramount. Unlike SimPoPanda, SenPanda utilizes expensive subgraph isomorphism to identify matching subgraph for each query component. As we can see from the demonstration, both SimPoPanda and SenPanda yield the same result for this particular query. SenPanda and SimPoPanda took about 6 seconds and 2 seconds to execute, respectively. The delay in SenPanda result generation is due to the exact algorithm. Hence, SimPoPanda can efficiently generate good quality results on large networks. In summary, Panda presents a novel graph query paradigm that supports partial topology-based network search.